Greetings, digital architects of the QA Online Academy. It's Annie here, and it's a pleasure to have you back in the Command Center. Before we move forward, I must ask, have you fully mastered the Python range function from our last masterclass? Mastery of those sequences is vital. If you're ready, let's step into the world of arrays and learn how to manage complex data with precision. Let's begin. An array is a special variable, which can hold more than one value at a time. If you have a list of items, like car names, storing them in single variables is inefficient. But what if you had 300 cars? The solution is an array. It can hold many values under a single name, accessible by an index number. To work with arrays in Python, we can use lists. Here, we create an array containing car names. Cars equals Ford, Volvo, and BMW. Notice how we store multiple strings within a single variable name. It's the perfect foundation for structured data. Now that our array is built, let's look at how we reference and update specific elements using their unique index positions. You refer to an array element by its index number. For the first item, we use index 0. And if you need to modify that value, you simply assign a new string, like Toyota, to that same index. The update is instant and efficient. Efficiency also means knowing the size of your data. Python provides a simple way to return the total number of elements in any array. We use the len method to return the length. For our cars array, the result is 3. Keep in mind that the length is always one more than the highest index in your array. This is a key rule to remember for your logic. Manual indexing is great, but for large sets of data, you'll want to automate. This is where looping through your array elements becomes essential. By using a for-in loop, you can iterate through every single element of the array automatically. Whether you have 3 items or 300, Python processes them all with just 2 lines of code. Dynamic programs require dynamic data. Let's explore the methods Python gives us to add new elements or remove those we no longer need. The append method adds an element at the very end. To delete, you can use pop to remove a specific position, like the second element at index 1, or use the remove method to target a specific value, like Volvo. It's total control. Beyond these basics, Python has an entire set of built-in methods at your disposal to sort, copy, and search your arrays with absolute precision. From clearing the list to reversing the order or sorting it entirely, these methods are the standard for professional development. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these tools. They are your keys to advanced programming. Now, it's time for your mission. Open PyCharm right now. I want you to create an array of 4 fruit names, append mango to the end, and then print the item at index 2. You have 10 seconds to solve it, starting now. Excellent effort. Ready to verify your logic? Let's take a look at the professional solution on the screen. By defining the list, appending mango, and calling index 2, we get cherry as our third item. Did you remember that indexing starts at 0? I'm confident you nailed it. That concludes our deep dive into Python arrays. Keep practicing these methods at home to sharpen your skills. Join me in our next session where we'll master Python iterators. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, visit our official website, and leave your feedback below. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the matrix.